What if you had days to prepare instead of hours? More time to get ready for this, to prepare that, to give your community more of this, and less of that. Outage Prediction from the weather company leverages AI and predictive modeling to prepare you for outages 3 days in advance. Here's how it works. First, you will land on the Outages tab. This shows the predicted outages across your service territory. It's broken down into the regions, zones, and operations centers specific to utility requirements. At the bottom, a color-coded legend shows outage counts and mobilization levels. This is one of the many features that can be customized to your specifications, so you can know where and when to deploy your resources. Currently, the map shows the total forecasted outage predictions over the next 72 hours, but you can select each 24-hour period to learn where and when within the 3 days outages will occur. By rolling over an area on the map, you'll see a quick overview. In this case, there are 49 outages predicted, 47 related to weather. If you click on that area or its outages bar, you'll get even more weather information, like temperature, wind, and precipitation. You can sort by total outages to focus on the most critical areas. And see how the forecast has evolved over the last 72 hours by clicking Past Predictions. Or use the drop-down menu to look back by hour. A clear picture of the storm allows you to take smarter action. The Weather tab powers the outage prediction model with forecast and observed weather data. Within Forecast, you can select weather layers, like radar, for instance. By hitting play, you can see how the storm system will move across your territory. You can do the same for conditions like wind, temperature, and precipitation. You can even filter each condition. Let's say you only want to see precipitation that will be greater than a half inch. Observed weather gives you a detailed look of the last few hours in your territory. On top of viewing weather layers, you can even track lightning, storm tracks, and alerts. This level of hyperlocal forecast data enables you to stay proactive in the face of severe weather. Now, what if gusts are greater than forecasted? What if a tropical storm isn't as severe as anticipated? That's where scenario planning comes in. It prepares you for best and worst case scenarios by looking at variable factors. For instance, you can change weather parameters to see how it will impact your service territory. What if winds reach 30 miles per hour? Or precipitation increases? You can rerun the model to calculate the difference in outages. This capability really taps into data science, allowing you to predict any what-if scenario. The past can be an invaluable guide for the future. With the Storm Search feature, you can easily compare historical storm data with current forecast conditions to make more informed decisions. You can filter by date, number of outages, or customers affected, or specific conditions, for example, when wind exceeded 40 miles per hour. Click to access detailed data from that storm. AI teamed with predictive modeling gives you a 3-day head start on outages. The faster you see them coming, the less time your community spends in the dark. That's the power of outage prediction. From the Weather Company.